Welcome to S Square Maths YouTube channel.
Good morning, my dear students. So, welcome to S Square Mathematics YouTube channel. So, today we are going to discuss about multi-concept problem. So, multi-concept. What do you mean multi-concept? Means more than two, three concepts, four concepts. So, here it is related to progressions and mensuration now. So this problem is very useful for various competitive level examinations, Olympiads, IIT, JEE Foundation, etc. So what is the question now? So length, breadth, height of a rectangular box are in GP. Its volume is 27 meter cube. Also its total surface area is 78 meters square. So under these circumstances we have to determine the dimensions of the box. Okay, so now here it is said to be rectangular box. You know very well it is a 3D object and it is a cuboid. Okay, so for a cuboid there exists length, breadth and height. So they are in GP descent. So nothing but, so given L comma B comma H are in GP. Since they are in GP, I can write it as B square is equal to LH according to the concept of geometric progression. So let us mark as 1. Equation 1. Next, its volume is given as 27 meter cube. So volume of box is equal to 27 meter cube. So volume of box is nothing but volume of cuboid here. So L into B into H or LBH is equal to 27. So here by equation 1 we have B square is equal to LH. So consider LH into B here 27. So in the place of L into H replace with B square. So B square into B power 1 is equal to 27. So it is in the form of A power M into A power N. I can write as A power N plus N. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3 here. And 27 gives you here nothing but 3 cubes. Since here the exponents are same, then the base is also same here. So B is equal to 3 meters. Now, again next consider what is a given parameter here. Total surface area of the box is 78 meters square. So, TSA of box, how much it is given? 78 meters square. So TSA stands for total surface area. Its formula is given by 2 of LB plus BH plus LH is equal to what? 78. So replace B value here. Nothing but implies here it is. So 2 into L into B. B is 3 here. Next BH, so 3 into H here and LH I can replace with LH is nothing but our B square. So here it is B square, replace LH with B square is equal to 78. So since the operation is multiplication, 2 transposing this side becomes division. So nothing but I can write 3L plus 3H plus B value is 3, just now we got 3 square and here it is 78 by 2. 78 by 2 gives you 39. So 3 square value is, here it is 3L plus 3H plus 3 square is 9 and it is 39 here. So 9 transposing to this side becomes minus. So 3L plus 3H is equal to 39 minus 9 gives you what? 30. Here LHS you have 2 terms. Out of these 2 terms I can take 3 as common. So 3 of LH, L plus H is equal to 30. 3 transposing that way the other side means becomes division. So finally L plus H is nothing but 30 by 3. 3 ones and 10s. So L plus H is equal to 10. So this is equation 1 and this is marked as equation 2 here. And let us consider equation 3 here, this one. And we know that B square is equal to H. So 1 implies, therefore 1 implies I can write now here b square is equal to LH. But what is b here we got? 3. So replace b with 3. So 3 square is equal to L into H. So LH is equal to, finally it is 9. Mark as equation 4. If you observe equation 3 and equation 4, you can go for various methods to find out the values of L and H. First one is by using algebraic identities concept. Second one is by applying the quadratic equations concept. And but that is a tedious way. Here we are going to adopt the easiest one, trial and error method. So easily we can pick up here 9 plus 1 gives you 10 and 9 into 1 gives you 9. Therefore the possible values of, therefore L is equal to here 9 and H is equal to 1. Or otherwise you can consider L is equal to 1 or H is equal to 9 meters. So therefore I can consider L is equal to 9 meters, B is equal to 3 meters, just now we got here, and H is equal to 1 meter. So therefore dimensions of the box are 9 meters, 3 meters and 1 meter here. So consider whether our answer is correct or wrong. Let us consider here volume is nothing but here we have L into B into H. We should get what? 27. So L is nothing but 9 into 3 into 1. 9 3 are 27. 27 1 is cube 27. So our answer is correct. Or otherwise 3 square is equal, B square is equal to H. B is nothing but here is 3. 3 square is equal to 9 into 1. So finally that also gives you correct. Otherwise substitute here LBH values in the given this equation you should get 78. So therefore this is a non-routine method and best multi-concept problem which is related to progressions and mensuration, which is very applicable and very important in various competitive level examinations. Thank you, Anand.
Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.